In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own custom t-shirt design in Canva. Perfect for your business, team, or just a fun personal idea. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you enjoy easy Canva tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is quick and completely free. Once you're on the home page, type t-shirt design into the search bar at the top. Canva will instantly show you hundreds of ready-made templates created just for t-shirts, from minimal text designs to bold graphic art. Browse through and pick the one that fits your vision. Once you've found the perfect template, click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now comes the fun part. Personalizing your design. Change the text to your message, try out different fonts, adjust the colors, and upload your own graphics or logos. You can even use Canva's massive library of free illustrations and icons to add something unique. When you're happy with how it looks, click Download at the top right corner. Choose PNG for the best print quality and check the transparent background option if your design will go on colored shirts. And that's it. You've just created a custom t-shirt design using Canva. Fast, fun, and beginner friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva guides, and drop a comment telling me what kind of design you made. See you in the next video.